Welcome to the 61.8 Fib project by Trading Jazz. Today we are going to talk about the butterfly pattern. Time frame. The butterfly pattern was discovered by Bryce Gilmore as a swing position trading strategy. It can be identified on virtually on any time frame. Tactics. The tactics for the butterfly pattern are very similar to other well-known advanced patterns like the bat or crab. With the butterfly we seek to identify 4 market moves and 3 major fib zones. The combination of these moves forms the points X, A, B, C and D that fulfill the pattern. Rules of engagement. The butterfly pattern begins with a market impulse leg that establishes our X and A points. Once the X and A points have been printed, we look for our criteria. Criteria 1. The market forms B completion point by fulfilling at least a 78.6% retrace of the X to A leg. Note: the A to B move remains valid as long as there is at least a 78.6% retrace of X to A and it does not close above the 88.6%. Criteria 2. If criteria 1 has been met, then look for criteria 2. The market forms the C completion point by fulfilling at least a 38.2% retrace of the A to B leg. Note: the C point remains valid as long as there is at least a 38.2% retrace of A to B and there is not a candle close at or beyond the 50% retrace of A to B. Note: in a valid B to C move, there must be a candle close beyond the 38.2% value. Failure to achieve a candle close beyond the 38.2% invalidates the move. This would be considered a Fibonacci failure which has no relevance to this pattern. Criteria 3. If criteria 1 and 2 have been met, then look for criteria 3. The market forms the D completion entry point by fulfilling a 127.2% extension of X to A. Note: in a valid C to D move, the 127.2% retrace of X to A D completion point shows ratio confluence with the 161.8% of A to B. The D completion point must extend past point X. Trade management, entry, stops, and targets. Simple rules. Entry: limit order placed at D completion point 127.2% of X to A. Stop placement 10 pips, the 138.2% of X to A. You should adjust it to your own risk management strategy and always look at previous structure. Look left. Target 1. The 38.2% retrace of A to D leg. When attained, stop moves to break even. Target 2. The 61.8% retrace of A to D leg. This is the butterfly pattern. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Trade safe.